Starting the mapping during daylight hours is highly recommended. Make sure the GOAT is well connected to the charging station, powered on, and is at least 50% charged before mapping. Tap Start Mapping on the main page. Remote the GOAT to exit the charging station and move to the closest edge of the lawn. Then tap Set Starting Point to start mapping. You can switch to automated mapping by tapping Auto when moving along a clear boundary. If certain segment of the boundary is not mapped as you intended to, hold the eraser button on the app until the GOAT draw back to the spot you want to start over, and remote the GOAT to draw it again. You can also remote controlling the GOAT to travel around the lawn in a complete circle and approach the charging station again to finish. When the GOAT gets close to the starting point, tap Complete to finish mapping. You can choose to add an area by remote controlling the robot to another area of lawn and map as you did just before. A path between the two areas will be automatically generated after successful mapping.